Good morning, everybody. So, this is the day after the storm. Yep, I've been camping on the farm ever since. See, I got to put a big ass tarpaulin. The rain was blowing. The pigs are okay though. Yep. Life after the storm on the farm. You the goat them a ball. They want to come outside, but outside is not for them. Still look like we'll probably get a few more drops of rain. They want to come outside, but I'm not letting them outside. They don't know ground soft and can't bother with their foot rot. So they might actually eat hay and grains right through. So that's that for them. The stairs must be slippery. Hey y'all, everybody dry. Alright. Looking all lovely and thing. Oh, not did. Happy to see me. Usually them would make nice when move so. But yeah, the big boy lock up in him pen over there so. You know? They got lots of hay though. Lots and lots of hay. Yeah. So the sun is coming out over there. They got fresh water same way. Everybody look healthy and thing, you know. I'm just gonna administer some minerals to boots everybody's system. She look like she's so ready for pop, you know. Big mama around the corner there, so pop also. So yeah, the place is extremely muddy and thing, but give thanks for the rain because now you know a lot of grass, whole heap of grass are gonna grow up and thing and thing. Try this so. Yeah. Yeah, so the journey continues on the farm. This is like my main source of water. So you know I gotta connect it. And voila! That's lots of water. So I was forced to let out the goats. So pigs are alright. A little muddy and thing, but they'll cope right after the storm. They're very dirty, but they're okay. They're okay, they're okay. They're okay. Yeah, so the pig them alright. So actually I run a water source. Go to the goat pen. The goats actually trick me in letting them out. I hear them. And they have so much feed. So they actually trick me and I let them out. So I run a little water source. I go give them some water, you know, and thing. So let's go. A lot of pallets are here. Not good. Worst buy I ever bought. Oh, a mango. Nice. Fresh. Yeah guys, I got a lot of mango tree. What them call it? The Jamaican blackie. Yeah. So the beast there. Yeah, Jamaican blackie mango. So yeah. Yep. Mango is delicious. Extremely delicious. So they want to come on the outside where the grass is, but the grass are young, so I'm not gonna let them out. So unless you want some mango, which you want. So yeah, she went off with my mango. Here's a mango skin. Here's a mango skin. You don't want it. Alright. So water time. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash out these buckets. Always remember to let your goats get fresh, clean water morning time. Every day. Every day. The water tends to get like real sour, so you know you got to change it because you wouldn't want that for yourself. So you have to give your goats in some nice clean water. Nice water. Alright. So this drum is full in, but borrow it with a bit. Yeah. Give them back a fresh rinse out and thing. So this is as real as it gets. Are you a beast boy? No, you're not coming out. Yeah, the place is really muddy, extremely muddy, as you can see from my water boots. What do you want today? They really want to come outside. Yep, they want to come outside. They're inside. Did I say that good? Alright, mother, daughter, and granddaughters all running come. Alright, so that's the mini pasture back there. They want to come and go to, but it's really wet, so I'm not gonna let them out. As you can see, the place is huge. Get in there with a bit of cleanup. So I'm gonna head to Nutrimix today to get some minerals and stuff for them. So I went and got some medications for the animals. See, this is a must-have on your farm. A bottle of antibiotic. If you know to administer this, then you're great. Some little probiotics. Yeah, you know, goats need them there. And yeah, some needles, some syringe, some needles, a bag of amino chloride. This is good for your bucks, alright? Yeah, this make your buck not get what they call Jamaican term stoppage of water. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm doing wet feed, giving these pigs some wet feed, because I'm adding a bit of a little nutrients. This is a probiotic. It named Selmanax. It increase weight gain and promote rapid growth rates and all of them things. They strengthen them. And this are some multivitamins. Hemoplex turn into Nutrimint. That's if I pronounce that right. So yeah, so the wet feed with this actually I start off to pick them good. So them chunky, yeah, and so yeah, me just mix it with water and thing. Nice little, yeah. See how the boys and girls them over here so like it, you know. Yep, everybody ready to eat.